Once again, this is the Singapore Airshow 2026. We have another flying display coming away right now. And this next one from the Indian Air Force Sarang Helicopter Display Team joining us again this year. Well, Sarang was formed in October 2003 and is flying the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, built HAL Mark 1, also known as the Advanced Light Helicopter. And for those over to expert commentator for the Indian Air Force Sarang team, Squadron Leader Sarang.
Once again witness a spectacular reunion, a story that began 22 years ago right here. And today, in 2026, Sarang is back stronger, sharper and unstoppable for the Singapore Airshow 2026. Alright ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready as our team is all set to play in the Singapore skies and Sarang colors. So let's make some memories together, and now please welcome the President of the Air Force, the Sarang Helicopter Display Team. The team is maintaining the white house formation while raising a toast to the Singapore Airshow 2026, where aviation's finest meet. As Sarang wins the Singapore sky today, it does so under the able command of the team leader, Flight and number 1, Flight Commander Abhijit Kumar, who values safety, teamwork, and excellence above all. His co-pilot is our true team player, Squadron Leader Aditya, fondly called as Ali. Reliance India, the Sarang team soars through the skies in the state-of-the-art advanced light helicopter. And now gets ready to witness the change in formation from inverted wine glass to the English letter I in the sky. Ladies and gentlemen, the sky stands for our beloved motherland and for these indigenously developed helicopters. Coming in from your right, Sarang representing the central lines of our nation, the India formation. Is in command of Sarang 2, with Mr. Perfectionist, Deputy Leader of the team, Wing Commander Ramesh Kumar as his co-pilot. And now, Commander Command, rich in experience, let's give it up for the captain of number 3, Wing Commander Reese. His co-pilot is handsome, fitness enthusiast, Squadron Leader Gopal. The pilot in command of Sarang 4 is our dashing and stylish face in the sky who brings energy to every flight. Squadron Leader Putri Sagar Nangre. His co-pilot is effortlessly cool, Squadron Leader Nishank Awasthi. Keep looking at the aircraft approaching from your left now. Let's look out to get even more exciting as the leaders command the formation will transform into a stunning duck to add a touch of elegance to the skies. Let's listen out for the leader's call. That was the leader, and here's the reaction. And maybe a diamond for all the lovely ladies present here today. wish them luck. Here they are making a short exit and will soon be back in the arena with more thrills. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time now for an extraordinary maneuver. Just shift your gaze slightly to the right as you can see Sarang 1, 2 and 3 are positioning for the team signature maneuver, the Dolphins Elite. So hold on your hands because it is about to get epic. These choppers are about to defy gravity and blast off into the Singapore skies, symbolizing the motto of the Indian Air Force, touch the sky with glory. All three helicopters flying abreast will put up in the vertical plane and carry out the synchronized start turn to the deck. So hold your breath and look straight ahead as Sarang 1, 2 and 3 running for the Dolphins Elite. As it is called, which is a significant milestone of the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It was the first indigenous helicopter manufactured by HAL back in 2002. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the platform has been advanced from the conventional ALH Mark 1 to the cutting-edge glass cockpit ALH Mark 3 and ALH Mark 4. And what also makes our team special is the fact that it is presently the one and only four-helicopter military display team in the entire world. This journey is a testament to the dedication, passion, and excellence of our team. And now brace yourself for another round of heart-pounding excitement. These birds have been adored from long intense operations to flag displays, and now they're about to flex their wings in a spectacular crossover. Both the males will be trying to press and execute a synchronized landing, dramatically tilting towards each other until their rotors are nearly vertical and crossing in very close proximity. So ladies and gentlemen, let's try out for the crossover rate as we await the leader's call. These highly skilled pilots need no opportunity to show off the capabilities of the helicopter they fly. Indeed, performing the lap of Indian aviation industry is a symbol of Make in India. Here's the round of troopers. Let's line out to get down to some serious, awesome action. Helicopters are turning in, getting closer, and way more intense. For the vertical synchro maneuver, we call it the double air cross. Keep your eyes peeled to right and left as both players approach each other with a cross in the same vertical plane with a gap of less than 10 meters right in front of you. Look straight ahead for double air cross. Now, before we dive into the next synchro maneuver, let's take a moment to applaud our incredible maintenance team who ensure that these movers take to the skies and return safe. Leading this remarkable team is one Commander Priyanshu and sharing the honors responsibility are Lieutenant Colonel Varun and Sergeant Leader Harish. The degree of difficulty has now gone up, ladies and gentlemen, as the team prepares for this high spectacle, the level mesh. Coming in from opposite directions, each helicopter will cross the other and that too in the same plane. The gap is significant, the rest immense, but for these pilots, it's all in a day's work. Please look straight out for the next maneuver, level mesh. hosted by the videographers. Alright, time now to witness the agility of the aircraft and the unmatched precision of our pilots even closer to you. This is one of those times where you hold your breath and wonder how can you pull it off with such finesse. Soon both the pairs will close towards each other and the pilots will execute a 40-minute jump at just 50 meters above us. Please keep your eyes glued on the helicopters as both the pairs close in for our next maneuver, the level cross. It would be a matter of astonishment to you all that while doing these stair-driven maneuvers, the aircraft maintains the distance of only one computer diameter. And now to present such precision, something in the opposite direction of our experience about gearing up to pull off some mind-blowing air maneuvers. The helicopters will cross Milan and perform synchronized distortions facing away from each other. We all work together towards our common aim of winning hearts and saving lives. Right in front, we present a beautiful pulsating heart, a symbol of our love to the vibrant spirit and unwavering strength of the Lion City, Singapore. This is our sweet recipe, the perfect promise to send a little love your way. Our team boasts of the finest air warriors of the Air Force, an embodiment of the professionalism and ethos of the IAF. The Sarang team has consistently risen to the occasion in humanitarian assistance and disaster relief missions, displaying their unwavering commitment to serve humanity. Since the new formation, it has mesmerized the audience in Singapore, Chile, Germany, United Kingdom, Bahrain, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Russia, Dubai, and Egypt. And now get ready for the grand finale of the Sarang display. Please look straight ahead as the team is coming together for a jaw-dropping display of synchronized brilliance, the Sarang split, on the soul-lifting tune of a One-Day Mother. As the formation splits, the leader will gracefully pull up to present a heartfelt salute to the profound friendship that ties our two nations together. We shall listen out for the leader's call. You can find us on social media. Just follow us on Instagram and Twitter handles at Sarang_IAF. A big thank you to all our audiences in Singapore. It was truly an honor to perform here at Singapore Airshow 2026. Witness on behalf of Sarang team, this is Sarang commentators, also leader Ulanzi signing off.